During Michaelmas term, the main library building will be closed for building work. A temporary library will be available in Bear Lane. To access the temporary library, use the main Bear Lane entrance. Go around the building in front of you on the right-hand side, past the bike racks. Go up the stairs on your left. Walk towards the steps in front of you, but turn left before you reach them and walk through the passageway towards staircase 22. When you come through the passageway, turn right. Go down the 2 steps and past the bikes and take the steps on the right. Use your fob to enter the reading room. The same rules will apply in this temporary space as in the main library building. We have moved books which have been used during the last 4 Michaelmas terms into this space, and they can be borrowed in the usual way, apart from confined books.